Good evening and welcome back to another Citroen video, my 2008 Citroen C4 Grand Picasso, and in this video we're going to be investigating a knocking noise. So when I'm driving along, I keep hearing this knocking noise, and I'll tell you how bad it is. Even the dash cam picks you up. So what I'll do is I'll put up a clip from the dash cam. I got some video out of the dash cam, and you can clearly hear the knocking. It happens when when I'm harshly accelerate. It's not so bad if I'm a bit gentle on the throttle. Like when I'm setting off. If I accelerate too harshly, it starts knocking as I'm accelerating. So my suspicion is that it could be an engine mount. Anyway, you can watch this clip from my dash cam video and you'll see what I mean. Now I've got a sneaky suspicion that a mount is loose. I think a bolt's loose or something. So I've got it up on wheel ramps, as you can see, and take it to the back. We jogged. It's in gear. It's got the handbrake on. It's not going to go anywhere, so it's time to get down and have a look and see what the problem is. So I've got my trusty torch. And so I can get myself underneath here and have a look, see what the problem is. I'm not so sure what we're going to find. So there's a mount up here at the timing belt, and that's definitely all right. And then there's this rear mount. I mean, that one seems to be alright. Let's have a look. To be honest, I don't know what the problem is. Now, underneath here, this is the actuator for the gearbox. And it looks like the fluid reservoir, but that's not what we're looking for. Let's have a look underneath here. There's a like a roll bar drop link, that looks to be alright. And just keep on looking. Oh, it's just a bit hard to do this in. So no problem with the anti-roll bar this side. Let's have a look. I can't see anything there. So, is there anything we missed here? Oh, let's have a look. Now, there might be another mount here. Let's have a look. Because the mount at this side, hang on, over here. I think we might find the problem. As long as I get the torch up. Oops. No. Oh, that's alright. That's just a. No. It's just a bit hard to tell. Definitely knocking. Check this suspension this side. There's nothing obvious there. Again, The anti-roll bar's fine at this side. If you remember from a previous video, I had to replace these drop links. It's a bit of a mystery, is that? And right, I think the steering rack's alright. Can't see any problems there. So, a bit of a mystery, this one. I mean, it's possible this rear engine mount bush could be on the way out. But no, I can't see anything untoward. So I don't seem to be any wiser. Well, this is the only. There's a mount up here, a timing belt end, but that mount seems to be alright. So there must be another engine mount somewhere. Or it might be a gearbox mount. I'm not sure where that fits. Probably have to go up top, see if I can find the gearbox mount. So nothing suspension related. I thought it might have been the rear engine mount. Anyway, get back up on top, see if I can find this other mount. I've had the air cleaner off, hoping I could find the mount. I think it's too accessible. I've had a pry bar. Because that rear gearbox mount could well be the problem. But just want to get a pry bar on. I'm going to be spending money on parts if that's not the problem. Got to be careful, I don't want to damage the actuator or worse. No, better not taking a chance. Anyway, it's a bit of a mystery to me, is that one. So I think I'm going to farm this one out to a garage, or even go to a dealer, because it's due a service, as you can tell by conditioner air filter. It's due an MOT, so I might just see if MOT picks anything up. So that's it for this video. Didn't really find out where that knocking noise was coming from. Thought it might have been that rear engine mount, but I'm not sure. I don't want to go replacing parts and find out that's not the problem. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, comment and ring that notification bell. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.